Good morning everyone. I am Momita Ghosh. Welcome to my channel Pick and Cook. Hope everyone is doing well. Today I am going to share quick aloo paratha recipe. For this quick aloo paratha, you need 2 big size potatoes cut into pieces and put them in water for 30 minutes. Now take a pressure cooker, add some salt and put the potatoes in the pressure cooker and cook till 2 whistles. After some time, take out the potatoes and peel the skin. Take a bowl and place the potatoes inside the bowl. Now mash the potatoes using a fork. Mash well and remember there should be no lumps of the potato. When the potatoes will be nicely mashed, add cumin powder, coriander powder, salt, grated ginger, chopped onion and chopped green chilies. You can add some chopped cilantro also. Now mix everything using the same fork. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do. Your every subscriptions really matters to me. It will encourage me to upload more recipe videos. Add 1 teaspoon of ajwain. But this is optional. You can skip it if you don't like it. And also add some amchur powder. Shift the mixture in a big bowl and mash the mixture very well using your hand. Add atta little by little to make a dough, but don't add all the atta at a time. Add some oil or ghee so that the dough will not be very sticky. Now cover the bowl with a damp cloth and keep aside for 30 minutes. Now make small balls out of the dough. Roll each ball to make parathas. Now fry the parathas one by one on hot tawa. Add oil, ghee or butter for frying the parathas. Now your parathas are ready to serve. Serve parathas with green chutney and pickle. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.